So yesterday we were discussing about few internal commands which are related to file operations and those other details. Let me log into other account. So as part of this account, yesterday we were doing some practice. So history. These are all the commands we were discussing about yesterday. So yesterday we learned how to create a file, how to create a directory, how to navigate a directory, and what are the default files, what is a hidden file, and along with the hidden file. So we also discussed about along with the hidden file. So we also discussed about how to view the content of the file. Then after what is a UMask, and what is the default value of UMask, and standard file permissions, directory permissions, and how to change the permissions of a file. So I hope everybody is clear on that. So if I mean yesterday's commands, whatever you have discussed. So we discussed about a path. A path is a colon delimited directory. So colon means between the two paths there is a colon. So path is a colon delimited directory. What is the intent of a path? Whenever you run any command without of giving a path, or any predefined executable program, it will try to check whether that program is available on the given folders. If it is available, then the program will execute, else you will get a command or program not found exception. And we also discussed about UMask value. UMask value is used to set a default directory or file permissions. We can able to set it by using using by using UMask value. So by default, UMask value is 022. In few of them are 022. So the standard file permissions are 666 and standard directory permissions are 777. So whenever you create a file or directory, the standard file permissions will be subtracted from UMask value, so that you will get some default file permissions are 644, or depends on the UMask value 755. This is what you will get it. So after creation of the file, if you want directory, if you want to if you want to change the permissions of file, we can use the chmod command. So in chmod command, yesterday we were discussing that chmod command, we can able to change the permissions of a file. So by using either, how do we change the permissions of a file? We can able to change the permissions of file by using either numeric mode or by using a character mode. The character mode means you need to be remember RWX. And if you are going with numeric mode, so ensure you are so according to the requirement, whatever the requirement whatever the requirement it is, either we need to subtract, or we need to be addition. For example, if the requirement is only to change for a owner, then if you are not passing it for group and others by numeric format, so always if you go with chmod command, it has to be 3 digits. It has to be the 3 digits. If you are not passing it as a 3 digits, so in the left hand side it will append the zeros. Then if you are passing it as a one value, the owner and group will get zero permissions. If you are passing it as a two parameters, the owner will get zero permissions. So always pass the exact values. Always pass the exact values. This we have seen it on yesterday. Now without of any delay, so let's go to CD test one. CD test one. CD test one. So here under this location, so under this will be, yesterday we were discussing about couple of inputs, right? So like how do we change the permissions or directory? The same thing is for directory also. Same thing is for directory as well. So now whenever you are trying to change the permissions by using this character mode, by using these characters like read, write, execute, AGO, then here you need to remember about the keywords, and we should also use the plus symbol and minus symbol. Plus symbol and minus symbol. Plus symbol means to add to add privileges. Minus symbol means to remove the privileges. Whereas assume that this is a file. What are the permissions of this file? The permissions of this files, the permissions of the files are RWX, RX, and RX. Now you got a requirement that so for above file, okay, add for above file, okay, add. So write permission, okay, write permissions for group and others, for group and okay others. So how we can achieve this one is like chmod. So as you know that, so okay here if you are going with if you are going with this format, so if you are going with okay this format in the character format, if you are trying to change the permissions based in character format, you need not to be remember about okay existing okay permissions what and all it is having. So here the requirement is for above file write permissions for group and others. So group, how do we denote the groups? G, O plus what is the permissions we are requesting? Okay, W. So A, this is the one way, and the other way is we can also use okay chmod. So G okay plus okay W comma okay O plus okay W, G comma W. So G plus okay W comma O plus okay W A. So in this case, for example, if you run this command, so group and others, so the group and others we are going to get so write permissions as well, so write permissions as well. Whereas if you want to remove write permissions, just use the minus symbol. So minus symbol means it will try to remove the, it will revoke the permissions. So not only, for example, assume that you want to remove write permissions okay, from group and okay, others, I want to remove read, write, execute, all I want to remove. For owner, I want to give. So for owner, I want to give. So read, okay, write, execute, read, write, execute. So even this combination also it works. Now go ahead and run this one. So okay, A RWX RWX. So okay, I mean A plus this way we can able to either issue the permissions or we can able to okay revoke the okay permissions. But okay, majority of the times we always use um, okay, we always use the numeric format only. So if you go with the numeric format, the only thing is you need to be remember the existing permissions. Either of the way it is fine. It's not only okay, it's not only for so if you want to remove the permissions, okay, all the permissions of others. So what we can do? So we can also go with A minus. So O minus okay RW. So comma is a separator. Comma is the separator. So now from others we are trying to remove all permissions. From others we are trying to remove all permissions. Whereas if you want to remove, so if I mention okay GO, if I mention GO, so it will try to remove the permissions for, it will try to remove the okay permissions for okay both. It will try to remove the permissions for okay both. So 1 minute. So okay, it doesn't matter. Minus means it will try to remove it. So plus it okay, plus it will try to add it. Whereas if you mention okay chmod, so what is the okay, how do we address the owner? AGO plus okay RWX, AGO plus RWX capital A. So we are going to assign all the permissions. We are going to okay, assign all permissions. This is how we can able to assign the permissions okay by using okay chmod okay command, chmod command. So chmod okay, then let's open the okay, chmod hyphen help so that you will get okay some idea. So in chmod, we are having an option called hyphen R. What is the meaning of hyphen R? So it is a recursively. So it is a recursively. So assume that okay, we are having a directory called okay, T7. If I execute chmod hyphen R 755, so T7, it will try to assign the permissions, all permissions. So inside that, if it is having, so that's why capital R means ls even at ls command also, even on ls command also we are having hyphen capital R. What is the intent of the capital R? Okay, to recursively assign the permissions. Okay, even in ls command to recursively get the details. Whereas in chmod command also same, if you want to from the current directory, so from the current directory if you want to issue the permissions from the current directory to, let's go back to okay one level back. So now we are having this much, right? So if I execute okay chmod okay hyphen r 77755 star, so after that we can able to see that. So everyone will get the same kind of permissions. If you see this one, or earlier it was having different permissions, right? Now everybody is having the same permissions because we have issued hyphen capital R okay, okay, hyphen capital R. So we can also check inside also. So with help of okay hyphen R, what we can do is we can able to okay issue the permissions recursively. So hyphen R is mainly for the directories. So directories are okay files. So if there is a directory, inside the directory it is having some millions of files, some millions of files, doesn't matter. If you just issue hyphen R, it will try to change the permissions for everyone. That's why chmod command never and ever use hyphen R option. So assume that there is a folder called there is a folder called India. Inside that it is having some 29 directories. So each directory owned by the, for example, if it is Andhra Pradesh, the owner and group should be Andhra Pradesh. If it is Karnataka, Karnataka and Karnataka. Whereas if you try to issue chmod okay, hyphen R or okay chmod or chone, so there will be having different permissions. So every folder every folder is maintaining their own permissions. If you try to issue it as a root account, so then okay I mean it will be everyone will get the same privileges. And one more thing is, if you want to run a chmod command, you should be required certain privileges which are write permissions. If you don't have write, for example, assume that so cd root. So here I mean for example if I'm going to use okay chmod 755 this okay 755 okay this folder, I will get exception operation not permitted. So which means that in order to change the permissions of a file or directory, you must require write permissions. You must require a write permissions. If you're not having write permission, you cannot able to, so okay we cannot able to okay, change the permissions of a file. We cannot able to change the permissions of okay file. That is also need to be, so remember, if I want to go back to my working directory, I can use okay cd okay hyphen. So here chmod okay hyphen help. So as I told, like hyphen c means, so the same thing, hyphen v means verbose mode, doesn't matter. Hyphen r is the important that we learn recursively. So each mode, as I said, that u. So okay, I mean okay here rwx means read write okay execute and okay ugo. So okay I mean owner okay user group and others. So user group okay others and owner, these are the, so each mode of the form is UGOA. So okay, owner, group, okay, others. So here also okay. I mean U means okay, owner of the file, group and okay others, group and okay others. So this way we'll try to issue the permissions plus or minus. So is equals to. So okay, this way we'll go with this okay chmod okay command. So okay, this is about okay chmod okay command. So mainly the chmod command is used to change the permissions of a file or directory either recursively or a constant. I mean for a specific file or folder, we can okay change it. Specific file or folder we can okay change it. Okay. So any other okay doubts on it? Any other doubts on okay chmod command? I'm happy to okay explain. Is it clear? So chmod command is one of the very straightforward okay is a, okay one of the okay, very straightforward okay command where to change the mode of okay privileges. You may get an interview question like how to change the permissions and okay if you want to do the recursively, how do we do that? All of them okay we can able to say that we can go with either character mode, so rwx okay then ugoa and okay, even st and all okay I will discuss. Chmod okay t means sticky bit, that will discuss after that. So that will discuss okay, after. So what is that okay sticky bit? So sticky bit is used to okay okay protect a file or directory. It is also one of the security feature that I will tell you what is a okay t as well. What is a t as well? So the intent of the okay T is, so okay when it comes with okay sticky bit, so sticky bit also can be achieved it okay, by using the chmod command only. The main intent of the sticky bit is, so I mean basically we go with okay sticky bit mainly for a directories, mainly for the directories. So what we can achieve with sticky bit is we can able to set we can able to protect a file or a directory getting deleted by others, getting deleted by others, others, which means that for example, we have issued for example, we have issued so permissions, we have issued permissions. There is a directory. In a directory, let's give the more examples on here. So there is a directory called test one. So in the test one, this test one, I have allocated a group as this guy is part of X group. I have assigned to the X group, and even I have issued the permissions for everyone. So read, write, execute permissions I have given it for everyone due to the requirements. Now I have a requirement that so I have a requirement that so my requirement is I want to, even though if others are having a permissions, even though if others are having a permissions, even though others are having a permissions, write permissions and all, but they cannot delete my folder, or they cannot delete they cannot delete, they can modify it, they can modify, but they cannot delete, they cannot delete. So either file or owner, either file or directory, that we can able to achieve it by using this sticky bit. The sticky bit is a permission setting that affects file deletion within a directory. So inside a directory, if I apply a sticky bit for a directory, so in whatever the files are having inside the directory, those files cannot be deleted by others. Only the owner of the file or owner of the directory or the root users can delete or rename the files, even the rename also inside the directory. So others cannot able to do that, others cannot able to do that. That is the intent of sticky bit. So let's do one thing. So here come back to we are having two sessions, right? So cd temp ls-lrt. So it is owned by the, so I'm going to create a one more directory, c mkdir sticky underscore bit underscore test, sticky bit underscore test. So which directory we are in? We are in temp. So inside that I'm going to issue chmod 7 chmod hyphen r 777 this sticky bit underscore test. So who is the owner of this file? So root is the owner of the file, but others are also having a permissions. Others are having a permissions. Now I'm going to inside this folder, I'm going to create a some file. For example, touch a sorry tou ch touch a and mkdir b. Now so let's come to this directory called cd cd var temp. So we are in var temp only, right? So under that sorry, we are in temp or something. Okay, yeah. So let's go back to this directory cd temp. So now so even though for example now I have to issue the permissions, so I have to issue the permissions. So issue the permissions, even though the persons are having a here. So ls-lrt. Now so now I'm now I didn't apply any sticky bit. So what the the owner of the file of the owner and group of this a and b are root, but the user the user the user ram also can able to be delete, the user ram also can able to be delete. So in this case, then where is the protection? We are not going to enforce the protection. So in this case, what we can do is we will try to apply chmod. So chmod hyphen help. So here chmod. So chmod u plus t. So u means owner, right? So u means user owner of the file. U plus t. So chmod u plus t. Then sticky bit test. Sticky bit test. Now sticky bit test. So whenever if we enable a sticky bit, so whenever if you enable r, the other way to set up a sticky bit is, for example chmod other way to set up a other way to set up a sticky bit is chmod hyphen r 777 1 sticky bit test. Now execute ls hyphen lrt. So okay, it will show as, now we can able to okay see it as, sorry, it is sorry, not this way. So okay, 1777, not this guy. So 1777. So if you go with okay this guy, now we can see that RWS, RWS, RWT, which means that, so if any directory at the ends with T, so ends with T, okay, that we can call it as okay sticky bit. That we can call it as, this directory is having a sticky bit. This directory is having a okay sticky bit. So the directory, any of the directory, if you are okay having okay, this is a one way, or for example okay mkdir okay t, so ls hyphen lrt. So we're also having t, right? So we can also use chmod plus t, chmod okay plus t capital T. So we can able to see that the both of them are having a sticky bit. Both of okay, which means that if a directory ends with, if a directory or file so ends with okay directory or file so ends with okay ends with okay t, that we can call it as okay sticky bit. That we can call it as a sticky bit. So which means that, so after the permissions, after at the end of the permission, if this guy is having a t, we can consider we have enabled okay sticky bit, we have enabled sticky bit for okay for this file or okay directory. Now, so okay, now go ahead and okay go to inside this directory. So I'm going to create mkdir. So touch A and okay B, mkdir okay mkdir okay C. I have created okay couple of okay files. I have created couple of okay files. Now come to here and okay try to remove this okay rm minus okay rf. So okay rm minus okay rm minus f. So if you okay, I mean for example we need to issue the sticky bit so recursively. For example, now I'm going to issue the sticky bit so recursively. So how do we assign that okay, sticky bit okay, recursively? The same way chmod hyphen r. So okay 1777 okay sticky bit 1777 okay sticky bit. So okay, here ls hyphen okay lrt. So sticky bit is enabled. Go to okay inside here and ls hyphen lrt. Everybody is having a sticky bit okay now. Now so ls hyphen lrt. Now rm minus f. So let's see b. I'm trying to issue the okay b. So now you cannot remove the file. You cannot remove a file. Why can't we remove the file or directory? Because even though if you're having a permissions, you are not able to delete it. Why are you not able to delete? Because so we have enabled a sticky bit. So the user, who is the user ram and who is the owner of the okay, everyone is having a permissions. Earlier you are able to so okay, remove it. For example, now let's go to inside this and okay touch okay touch okay k, something I am trying to touch the file. So ls hyphen okay lrt. So okay chmod okay 777 okay k. Now so if now I can able to okay remove this guy. I can able to remove a file directory called okay k. I can able to remove a directory called okay k. So even k also we are not able to remove that because so at high level, so at high level we have enabled the sticky bit. At high level we enable the sticky bit. So for example, if I'm trying to remove this file k, we are getting exception. So if I'm trying to use kk, so even this also we are getting the exception. So the main intent of this one is, so what is a sticky bit? Sticky bit means sticky bit. So it is used to protect a file. It is used to protect a file or directory getting or okay, renamed, okay, getting deleted or okay, renamed by group or others, even though they have a privilege, even though they have a okay privileges, even they have a privileges, even though they have a so okay privileges, even though they have okay privileges. So how to enable the sticky bit? Chmod u plus okay or chmod plus t. So chmod okay plus t and okay chmod okay minus t to remove it, or okay chmod okay 1755, or okay this way we can able to enable the sticky bit. We can also use the hyphen r. If you use the hyphen r, we can able to protect a, so okay, we can able to okay protect a directory. So okay so we can able to protect a directory deleting by okay others, deleting by okay others. So how do we know that whether this is having a sticky bit or not? With the help of the option called okay t. With the help of option called okay t. T is the one where we are trying to enable. So whenever you try to perform any rename or okay move option, that can be prevented, that can be okay prevented. So you will get, so operation not permitted. So any doubts on okay here, any doubts on here? So any doubts? So you can also unmute and you can ask questions. So sticky bit is one of the powerful utility where if you want to protect a directory and other, that can be achieved by using the sticky bit. How do we determine whether a file or directory is having a sticky bit? At the end of the permissions, if it is having a T keyword, which means it is having a sticky bit. Now we learn how to change the permissions of a file. Similarly, we are having two more commands which are chmod, we learn it, and okay, chown, and okay, grp. So the name itself, chmod means change the mode of privileges. Chown means change the ownership of a file. Grp means to change the group of file. So it allows us to change the owner and group of file together. Whereas chgrp, it allows us to it allows us to change the group of a okay, group of a file or a directory. File or a directory. So chown command is used to change the ownership. By default, we can change the ownership. If you want, we can also change the directory permission, okay, directory, I mean group also. So group as well. So chgrp is only for it is only for to change the group. Chown is used to change owner and group of the file together. What is the syntax of this one? The same okay own or okay chmod options. So okay owner of the file colon okay group of the okay file, then either directory name or okay file name, directory name or file name. What are the options we are having? Hyphen r means same recursive, same okay recursive. Now so let's come back to okay here, let's come back to okay cd. So var temp, so cd okay here. Now I want to change if you want to change the ownership of a file, so if you want to execute chmod, chown, chgrp, you must require you must require write privileges. You must require so write privileges. So now if I want to change so I want to change the ownership, okay, ownership of okay this ownership of a specific file, etc grou okay group. We don't have okay, we do have a specific groups, right? So even we do have a root as well. Now chown, so chown okay root colon, for example okay root india 13. So in this case operation chown, so okay root colon okay root india 13. Okay, 1 minute, right? 755, right? Do we have permissions? Chown, maybe we can't assign to the okay root, so that is the okay problem. So what we can do is, so from here, so okay, in the same file, if I go with okay chown okay ram okay of okay capital B, we can able to change it. So now we can able to see that the owner of the file is changed from okay root to okay ram. Similarly, so if you want to change the okay, if you want to change the ownership group also, we can execute okay, we can execute okay, colon. If you want to change only the group, okay, group of okay group, okay, ram, okay, to capital A. So okay, now we can run it. So the ram has okay changed. So here owner group is changed. Here group only changed. Whereas if you want to change, okay, if you want to change, so if you want to okay change okay recursively, so if you want to change okay recursively, ch okay own, so okay ch okay own hyphen capital R. So if capital R, okay ram colon okay ram sticky bit test. So entire directory whatever is having all will be changed from okay here onwards. Go to cd sticky bit ls hyphen okay lrt ls hyphen lrt. So this is how we can able to okay run this okay chone and chmod okay commands, chmod okay commands. So any doubts on okay these commands? These are simple but okay very powerful. These are simple but are okay powerful. So chgrp, these are the commands okay what we are okay having. Chmod means to change the mode of privileges. Chone means to change the ownership of a file, and okay chgrp is used to change the group of okay file. So with help of ch1 we can change owner and group together. With help of chgrp we can able to okay change only the okay group. So if you are using a hyphen r, so recursively okay we can able to okay change it. Recursively we can okay change it. Recursively we can okay change it. So any doubts on okay here? So today we learn about how to change the mode of privileges, what is a sticky bit, what is a umask, and how to change the umask value, how to set a sticky bit, and how to change the ownership of a file, how to change the group of a file. And as part of mkdir, I told you about if you go with ch own hyphen hyphen help. So these are the options. Hyphen I verbose more recursive. We always use the okay recursive. Nothing okay much. These are the so examples. These are the so examples. And okay chgrp okay hyphen hyphen okay help. So here also same okay like verbose. And we always use the hyphen r okay recursive. Hyphen r okay recursive. Now, as part of okay, mkdir, I told you one option called hyphen m. What is the meaning of hyphen m? I told you that we'll discuss later. Set okay, file mode in ch mode, not a is equal to or umask. So, for example, assume that I have a directories, couple of directories now. cd okay test2. I'm going to inside this. So where I'm going to create, okay, I'm going to create mkdir. So mkdir, okay, hyphen m, 777, A, then B, then C. So what happens here is, instead of getting a default directory permissions which are 755, we are going to issue a permissions called 777. We are going to issue permissions called 777. So that's why we use hyphen m command to set the mode of privileges while creating to set a mode of privileges. So okay while creating okay directory. So while creating a okay directory. So while creating a okay directory, that is the intent of okay hyphen m option. So you may get a question okay, as part of written test and all. What is the intent of hyphen m? Hyphen m means to set file mode. Okay, and okay, as in ch mode, not this one. So p means parents. Hyphen okay, I mean p means creating the parents and all that we have discussed. Hyphen z okay we'll discuss, but for us it's not needed. I hope okay this is so clear. So this is clear for on okay here. So any doubts on okay here? All these commands. And similarly, so okay, if you want to create okay, I mean after creating a file, so a directory. So if you want to remove a file, we can able to achieve it by using rm command. So rm and mv and okay cp. These are the commands we are going to discuss okay now. So with help of rm command, what we can do is we can able to remove a file or directory okay, from Linux system. The syntax of rm is so rm, so okay rm okay file name, So let's okay use this okay here only. So okay touch touch E, F and okay G. I'm going to create three files. So E, F, G. If I want to remove a file, so assume that I want to remove a file called F. So the file will be okay removed. So for example, if you go with okay RM, so okay for example okay capital G, so the RM file will be removed. So, I mean, which means that, so, okay, if you are the owner of the file, so by default, the interactive mode is enabled. So, okay, I mean, with help of, when you run this RM file, okay, RM file name, so by default, okay, it interacts, interacts with users, okay, to delete a, delete a file or, okay, directory. So it will ask you for it will ask you to press Y or N. So Y or N to remove your file directory. But here by default ALI aliases. So here okay I think ls -l. Okay. So with help of okay rm command, so we can able to remove a okay file. Whereas if you want to remove a directory, so for example, if I'm going to use okay A, you will get as an exception. So because if you want to remove a directory, we have to use, so you have to use a option called hyphen R. Hyphen R means hyphen R means to remove a directory. To remove a directory, R means okay here recursive only. R means recursive option only. So hyphen R means to remove a directory. For example, if I go ahead and execute rm minus R capital A, it will remove the directory. Not only the directory, if the directory is having some X number of files or directories, it will remove everything. My Windows, even in Windows also, if you go to directory and shift delete, whatever is there inside it, it will delete, right? The same on okay here as well. The same on so okay here as well. That is the so intent of rm command. So rm hyphen hyphen help, we can able to see that. So hyphen f means force. So if you, I mean, for example, if the interactive mode is enabled, if you want to okay avoid that interactive mode, we can use okay hyphen f. In order to perform the rm command, you must require a write privileges. You must require a write privileges. So as I told you that hyphen I means prompt before okay, every removal. So for example, okay, here okay, I have some inputs rm minus okay I capital E. It will ask you to whether remove regular file or not. If you press yes, then only it will be okay removed. So by default, that is the default feature, but somehow okay it is okay removed it. So I mean hyphen I means interactive mode, hyphen R means recursive mode. Remove that okay. I mean for example, if you're having any empty directories, we can use okay hyphen D. That is not needed. We always use this okay rm command, rm minus rf or I mean rm minus ef. You'll get a questions. Why do we use okay? Why do we use rm command? So what are the options on okay rm command? So rm command. So with help of rm, we can able to remove a file or okay directory. So to remove directory, we have to use hyphen f option. Hyphen f option we need to be okay remove it. Okay, we need to be use it. So any doubts on okay today's class? Actually, I have